Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a drop-down list in Google Sheet. First, choose the cell where you want the drop-down list to appear and click on it. Then go to the top of sheet, click on Data and select Data Validation. A panel will pop up on the right side. Click on Add Rule. Then choose the range. That's essentially the cell you selected. Under Criteria, make sure you select drop-down and then enter your option. As you can see, you can also change the colors. In this example, I will just enter 1, 2, 3. You can add more item if you like, and there are advanced options you can check out as well. Once you are done, click Done. Now go back to the cell you selected, click on it, and you will see the drop down option. Of course, you can edit them later to add more options or make changes. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.